Hello guys, and welcome again to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very short one. I usually struggle with tiredness after a long day, and I'm always looking for how to take my makeup off without having to go through too much or any stress at all. I got to try out the Tediyi's Beauty Hub Extra Virgin Cold Pressed Coconut Oil, and I have been loving it. Apart from the fact that it is very healthy and it leaves the skin very smooth, it does a lot of other things because it's like natural coconut oil. It smells really great, and some of the things that it claims to do is to fade scars, is the best makeup remover, good skin moisturizer, sunscreen, stimulates hair growth, energy booster, healthy for cooking, supports weight loss, mouthwash pulling, and etc. That is all that this oil claims to do. I don't know about other things, but I know that I have been using it to clean off or take off my makeup lately, and I have been loving how easy my makeup glides and melts off my face in a few seconds. I'm just going to be showing you guys how I have been using this, and yeah, we're gonna see how that goes. First things first, you want to gently take off your lashes because you cannot take off your makeup without your lashes going first, and that is what I have done here. My lashes are off now. Now that the lashes are out of the way, I'm going to go on and apply this oil on my face, and I'm just going to be showing you guys how I do that. I'm just going to be pouring a little bit of this oil all over my face now. And I'm going to be rubbing it into my skin. I'm rubbing my eye area very well so that it will take off all of the makeup there. And you can see from the video how everything just glides off of my face. And now you can see that the makeup is basically off of my face. I just need to go in ahead and just clean it off now. Now I'm going to be going in with clean wipes, and I'm just going to be using that to clean off this melted makeup. And as you can see, that just came right off. I'm going to take another clean wipes and just further clean that off with no stress whatsoever. And I'm just going to go ahead and wash my face, and I'll be right back. So I'm back now and my face is washed. What I'm now going to do is to be applying the Mini Baby Face Mist all over my face, just to ensure that we have the right amount of moisture on my face, and I'll be ready for bed. So that's basically it. That is all I have for you today. I hope this was beneficial to you and you find it useful. With that being said, I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!